feeling the pinch of rising prices. Everyone's talking about inflation, but what can actually be done to control it? Let's look at the two main toolkits. Number one, the RBI's toolkit. First up, the Reserve Bank of India or the RBI. Their job is to manage the money supply. Their main tool is the repo rate. That's the interest rate they charge banks. When the RBI increases this rate, loans become more expensive for everyone. This discourages spending and borrowing, which helps cool down inflation. More RBI tools. Another tool is the cash reserve ratio or the CRR. This is the amount of cash banks are forced to keep with the RBI. When the CRR is increased, banks have less money to lend out. Again, this reduces the money in the economy and helps control price rise. The government's toolkit. Now, onto the government's role. This is called fiscal policy. The government can cut its own spending to reduce overall demand in the economy. It can also tweak taxes. For example, it can cut taxes on essential goods to make them cheaper, or raise the taxes on luxury items to discourage their use. The key solution, but perhaps the most direct method, is to tackle the supply side. If prices are high because goods are scarce, the government can work to boost supply. This means improving farm output, fixing supply chains, and releasing food stocks. More supply means lower prices. So to recap, the RBI makes money more expensive to reduce demand. The government controls its spending and, most importantly, works to increase the supply of goods. It's a tough balancing act. And for the UPSC aspirants, we've linked previous year questions on this topic in the description and the long format below. Go do check them out. See you on YouTube.